Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, I've just received this phone holder in the mail, and I'm getting ready to go downstairs, and the one I had in my freaking, my magnet here keeps falling out of my thing or keeps rolling around, and I can't control it and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna freaking retire that for right now. And I saw this on Facebook while I was going through, and there's a lot of stuff I've ordered that never showed up, and it actually did. So what it does is it hangs off your mirror, and then you put your phone on it. So let me put this together real quick because I'm heading downtown and I want to try it. Then you just turn it back around, and now you're looking at me. And that's freaking great because it's right here in front of your face. It's equal with the mirror. You can still see out. You can still see your mirror. You haven't really adjusted. That is perfect. I don't believe it. I think it's awesome. I'll do I'll do my regular test on it. But for right now, that's what you're looking for. Somebody did it right. It's not over here. It's not over there. It's right here. And it's over your mirror. So it's not in the way of anything, and you can be looking at the road and then talking at the same time. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. I do a lot of driving, so with that said, now while I'm driving, I can actually start doing some sit down and thinking and discussing videos. And this is because of this new, I didn't really feel safe with it being down, coming out of my air vent, because it was blocking my air vent. Oh, nice. There's a yellow convertible going behind me. And I'm trying to talk and trying to put my hands on it down here while I'm trying to look at the road. So it's just, this holder just happened to come up in the Facebook marketplace. I gotta go down Main Street here. And it was $35. I'm like, man, maybe I don't want to spend that much, but it looks like a good product, and it does and it looked like it was going to do what I needed to do. So I went ahead and spent the money, and it's worth it, I'm telling you, because it sets your phone. You can put it down under your mirror, or you can set it any position, up, down, underneath your mirror if you want, or you can slide it out and lock it in next to your mirror. So now you're looking at, not only you can be looking at, you don't really need to look at the camera, but if you're looking for stuff that, you're looking, say you got Google Maps and you're trying to figure out where the heck you're going, now you can look up and you can be looking out your rear mirror at the same time. There's nothing underneath it blocking your view. And hey, what are you gonna do? So I like it, and now I can start doing some, this is what I'm thinking, videos, and we can go, I'll be able to add more content up here. I don't know if I'm could actually stream from this position too, but now I can be talking, you can be seeing me, I can be watching the road, rear mirror. I'm not taking my view out of my windshield. All I got to do is look around. I don't really need to look at the camera. You're looking at me. So, and then on the other side of it, if you're watching your Google Maps or whatever, and if you're Skyping, hey, you're Skyping. They see you. You can be looking up and look at them once in a while, and you're still watching the road at all times. So There we go. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. I'll leave this thing in a link, and you can definitely check it out. But as of right now, this is the best car holder I've been able to find. The only thing you're going to have hanging down is your charger cable. And they come out one with a, oh, what did you do? If they come out with a wireless charger, this will be your man. This will be the ideal. This is beautiful. All right, we'll talk to you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs. And it's convenient. You're watching the road, and then you're just lifting up, and bye-bye. Hey, Dana here. And it's just a continuation of this phone holder that I purchased, and I'm really happy about. As you can see, where I have it right now is hanging straight down. Oh, not straight down, but kind of custom to where I want it from my mirror. You're gonna put it on the other side of this. I had it straight down. I didn't realize it was jamming up my my night and day flip button. See the whole flip button right here? So this is in the Mustang, and the way I had it when I first got it was in the Escape, where I had it off to the side right here, which is perfect. I wanted to do it in here for a minute, but unfortunately the mirror is a little loose. So having it out here, what happened is the weight of the phone just made the mirror twist like so. You can tighten it up in the back if that does it to you. If you want it, you want to put it up here right next to the phone, so you know where you're at. You're right here. But who knew? I put it right here, and it works good right here. I customized it to the angle that I want it. You could have it straight down if you want it, but I wanted it over here, as close over here as possible, where it's not over here blocking my view. If it's straight down, it's fine. It's right here. The only thing is, I have to. You can turn your eyes. You may want to a point where you might want to turn your head just a little bit. But being right where I got it right now, I can keep my head straight, and I just flip my eyes over, and I can still see the road out of the corner of my eye. And as you're going down the road, it's still not blocking your view. So I'm freaking impressed about this thing. I'm running my cord from my transmitter into it, so it just hangs down. So this other thing, basically, you got in your way. It's really not in the way, but that's the only thing you got hanging down, because it'll hang, you know, just like so. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. I'll keep you up to date on this thing here. I'll try and get a link to it. We'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.